Six sounds therapy is one of the most powerful healing techniques from ancient China and has been further developed in my family for generations. The six sounds vibrate and invigorate the five internal organs and manage the emotions. According to Chinese medicine, emotions weaken the organs by creating qi blockages that eventually result in physical imbalances in the body. Emotions are considered the root cause of physical and mental distress, the basis of most disease. When a person develops disease, they may be killed by their emotions before the disease kills them. Excessive emotion can lead to negative thoughts. When the mind is in this state, it sends negative information to the body, allowing disease to develop in the mind and the body over time. We can help heal our emotions through mantra. The use of mantra and sound is an ancient method to bring change. It provides a means for healing both body and spirit. The intoning of sound creates waves that vibrate in the physical body to nourish and heal, as well as expanding out in the universe to nurture other parts of life. External sound, such as listening to beautiful music or the sounds of nature, can have a tremendous positive effect for us internally, although this is less direct and not as long-lasting as sound that originates within us. When the sound is generated from inside us, the vibrations are more direct and more powerful, penetrating many layers of consciousness. When our organs are vibrated by these sounds, negative emotions are gently released, and the qi that has been tied up in emotions is restored to a positive state in the organs. The six sounds therapy we are about to learn consists of six distinct mantras that have been used for thousands of years. These six sounds were selected specifically because their powerful vibrations harmonize the internal organs with the universe. When the five organs are vibrated by these sounds, it is like light illuminating the darkness. We feel brighter inside, and our negative thoughts are replaced by positive thoughts. That is how emotions can heal. All six sounds may be practiced in one session, or you may practice each individual sound during the appropriate time or season. Now, please join me and immerse yourself in powerful vibrations that awaken your body.